As yesterday when I did a test run, I did notice that this meter was not moving, so I didn't put it on the video. I got 2 hour meters in it. That one was moving. 1213.8 I think. So I'm going to fix this meter and I'll put it together on a separated video. Just plug the meter in now and it works while I'm holding on upside down. What I know from experience with some of these meters, they tend to wear out. There's the gearbox in one position, so I need to investigate the inside. It might be dry all too. It's working now, but it didn't work yesterday. So we're going to open this device up and have a look inside. Sounds quite dry. Very pleasing sound. The energized device. Okay, I'm going to take the thing apart. We unplug it. Take the motor off. The rest on these screws. See the motor comes out. Ah, it comes apart like this. That's cool. Nice gear wheel. Slanted gears. Oh, washers. Hang on, let me get this back up. Thrust washers. You got a mechanic. Beautifully made. There's also non-standard armature. They got a clutch stop thing on here too. Quite interesting. I'll stick it back in and see if we can get it to work. The lubrication all. That one's happy. Just take the nameplate off. At least the oil level is a bit better to see now. Round up a little bit, so that looks good. Now it has been running for a while and it's happy as, so it's a bit advanced 12.14.0 and 25.3.